You're pretty proud of yourself. Boink. You want to turn around? Can you move it? Here, let's move it. There you go. Dee dee. You're such a big girl. Oh, we're stuck again. Oh, where are you going? Okay. You're going to back up. Can you back it up? Here. There you go. Can you get up? You going to play with it that way instead? What are you doing? Hi.